ExpressVPN's Lightway protocol has been making noise ever since it launched. But in 2025, it's finally proving why it outperforms older VPN protocols like OpenVPN and IPv2, and even WireGuard. It's faster, leaner, and somehow more secure. But what exactly makes Lightway different? And is it really worth the hype? What's up guys, my name is Kyle. In this video, we're breaking down what makes ExpressVPN's Lightway protocol one of the fastest and most reliable in 2025. We'll look at how it compares to traditional protocols, what's changed under the hood, the real-world speed and gaming tests, and why ExpressVPN still holds the performance crown this year. Before we talk about Lightway, let's get one thing clear. A VPN protocol is basically the engine that runs your VPN. It decides how fast your data moves, how it's encrypted, and how stable your connection is. Traditional protocols like OpenVPN and IPv2 are reliable, but they're old, complex, and sometimes heavy. Lightway, on the other hand, is ExpressVPN's own lightweight, custom-built engine, designed to fix everything that those older systems struggle with. Think of it like this. OpenVPN is the tank, strong but slow. Lightway is the Tesla, fast and efficient and built for the modern internet. OpenVPN, one of the oldest and most widely used protocols, relies on complex cryptographic libraries that make it secure but heavy. Every time your Wi-Fi changes, say from home to mobile data, it has to renegotiate your entire connection. That means delays, drops, and inconsistent speeds. I've tested it while traveling. It takes OpenVPN 8 to 10 seconds to reconnect after losing Wi-Fi. That's forever when you're in a game lobby or streaming a live event. Then there's IPv2, great for mobile but limited in customization and can be blocked by strict firewalls. And even WireGuard, while fast, sends users identifiers that can expose IP traces unless customized, which ExpressVPN didn't love for privacy reasons. Lightway was built from the ground up by using ExpressVPN's in-house team, by using Wolf SSL, a proven cryptographic library, also used in aerospace and military systems. What's unique? It's streamlined. Lightway runs on around 1,000 lines of code, compared to OpenVPN's 70,000 plus. That's a massive difference. Fewer lines mean fewer bugs, faster updates, and tighter security. In testing, that minimal design actually shows. ExpressVPN now connects in under 1 second, compared to 6 to 8 seconds with OpenVPN. And it stays connected, even when you switch from Wi-Fi to mobile. Lightway also runs on UDP and TCP, giving flexibility, and it's open source, which means security researchers have publicly reviewed it. So it's not just fast, it's transparent. Alright, let's talk numbers. I ran 3 tests: streaming, gaming, and remote work file uploads. On a 1 GB per second speed connection, OpenVPN averaged 410 megabytes per second, WireGuard around 730 megabytes per second, and Lightway 820 megabytes per second. That's nearly full line speed, with encryption fully active. In gaming, ping stayed stable at 45 to 65 ms, with almost zero jitter, even when hopping servers. That's a big win for competitive players or streamers. And since Lightway doesn't rely on third-party code, the response time is nearly instant when waking your device or reconnecting, ideal for mobile use. Speed is cool, but VPNs live and die by privacy. Lightway uses modern encryption, CHA-20 for data, and HMAC for authentication, ensuring that even if data packets are intercepted, they're unreadable. Unlike some VPNs that store session logos to improve performance, ExpressVPN has a trusted server system, which means that everything runs on RAM. Nothing is written to disk. That's the same reason it's trusted by journalists, researchers, and even enterprises. The moment servers reboot, every single piece of data is wiped clean. And here's something that most people miss. Lightway doesn't just protect your IP, it's also resistant to deep packet inspection, DPI. making it harder for governments or ISPs to even detect that you're using a VPN. In 2025, ExpressVPN optimized Lightway across all devices: Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, even routers. You can now connect up to 8 devices simultaneously, all running Lightway, and the performance remains consistent. I tested on my laptop, phone, and smart TV streaming Netflix all at once, and the drop was barely noticeable. Average speed per device, 620 megabytes per second. That's wild. While other VPNs like NordVPN or ProtonVPN have made huge progress, ExpressVPN still holds its edge in stability, transparency, and long-term reliability. Lightway isn't just faster, it's custom-built, open-sourced, and deeply integrated into ExpressVPN's privacy ecosystem. In 2025, Lightway isn't a gimmick. It's a full-blown upgrade to how VPNs work, cutting lag, boosting speeds, and actually simplifying encryption. That's why ExpressVPN is still the benchmark, not just for privacy, but for performance done right. If you want more information, we have that link for you right in the bottom. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. It's these commissions that really help this channel and allow us to continue bringing you free content like this. So if you're using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you never miss another video. We cover all things VPN, cybersecurity, and more on this channel, so be sure to subscribe.